Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm sharing my SheetLoad of cards for September 2022. If you're not familiar with SheetLoad, it's a card sketch, cutting guide, supply list, and instructions to make anywhere between 6 and 12 cards. The sketch is designed by Alicia of the Call Me Crafty L YouTube channel, and she generously provides it for us free on the first of each month. I will link her channel in the description box below, and I encourage you to check it out and join in the fun. The supplies I used to make my cards this month include this DCWV Warm and Cozy paper pad, this cute little fall gnomes die set that I purchased from Amazon, this stitched tag set that I also purchased from Amazon, 12 oval and scalloped cutting dies from hot off the press. I used these distressed Oxide inks from Ranger, this one in Mowed Lawn, and this is Tumbled Glass. I used this Tri-Blend marker from Spectrum Noir, and this is in the color Tan Blend. I use this white gel pen from Signo, some diamond Stickles from Ranger, these sunflower sticker embellishments, purchased these at Hobby Lobby, and a variety of these diamond sparkles from Hunky Dory. The colors I used are Amber, Volcano, and Christmas. Whenever I make multiple cards, I like to create some coordinating packaging to go along with them and divide them up into sets. This month's SheetLoad yielded 12 cards, so the box that I made holds 8 cards and 8 envelopes because I wanted to reserve 4 of the cards for my own personal use. Let's check out the cards. I had so much fun creating these cards and this cute little box, and if you're interested in learning how to make the box, I will be doing a tutorial on my channel shortly to show you how. And also, I have a tutorial for the mini Slimline envelopes in case you're curious as to how I made those. I'll link that one in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!